Hello viewers, if you buy from flipkart.com you will get open box delivery. Today in this video I will share my experience of buying Samsung Galaxy S23 with open box delivery, and I will show you the details how the delivery boy actually opened the box and what are the box contents that you will get and how he checks all the things. In fact, I have bought a lot of products from flipkart.com with open box facility and I did not encounter any issue with the delivery of open box. The delivery agents shows me everything inside the box and then he gives the product to me to verify and check if there is any physical damage or not, and after that when I am satisfied with the product, only after that he asks for the OTP. The only disadvantage of open box delivery is that you cannot feel the first time unboxing experience. Here you can see that the delivery boy is opening the box, and at the time of opening the box actually he tore the main box. Here you can see that video, though I must mention that it was actually unintentional. He did not want to tear up, but accidentally it tore up, as you can see here. After that he opened the smartphone and then peel off the plastic or the wrapper from the screen and then handed the phone to me, and then I thoroughly checked the phone and found that there is no problem with the phone. There was no visible scratches or dent or any other accidental scratch on the phone, so I was satisfied with the delivery. Then I returned the phone to the delivery executive. So in my case I got everything okay, but if you are getting open box delivery, be sure that you are shooting all the things while unboxing your product. The reason behind this is that all the delivery boy are not honest, so you have to rely on your smartphone videography, and at the time of dispute you can show that video and claim your product if there is any problem with the product. So in my case there was no problem while receiving open box delivery. Now share your thoughts and your experience while getting open box delivery from Flipkart. Did you have any problem while receiving your product? Let me know in the comment sections below. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.